Today is the day after Thanksgiving. Clean Spark's expiring. We sold some Clean Spark
helps with the power rolling and
back
adjusting
on the
actions.
22nd when that's about 8:35 in the morning. Clean Spark was at 13:05. So we sold some covered calls at this time. We've got to now adjust them. Clean Spark is now $14.79, so it's about $1.75 higher than when we sold them, because Bitcoin is up $1,700 today, $99,665. We've got to adjust some of these positions. This 50, even though Clean Spark is currently $14.78, up 92 cents on the day, I think these $15 and $16 calls are safe. It's 10:21 a.m. The market closes in about an hour and 40 minutes, or 61 cents. We sold this at 40 cents. Those are going to be safe probably. This one for $14 call we sold at 89 cents. Right now it's at 82 cents, so it's pretty close to where we sold. So we're going to roll this out 1 week. So we go create rolling order. We go like so. If we sell out one more week, we're going to get another 69-cent credits. We're going to confirm and send that one. See if it closes out. We closed out. We got 69 cents credit again. So we rolled that out for 1 week so we wouldn't get stopped on that position. So we've got 7 days on this one. It's a $14 call. We rolled it out. We're in the money right now, but I suspect Clean Spark might go back down again, so I'm not real worried. At the same time, we've got to adjust this one. It's a 1350 call. Let's check this. Could create rolling order. I mean, because right now we're in. It's worth $1.84 more. So we sold for $1.07. So we're negative about 78 cents right now. We're negative. So watch this. We'll create the closing order. Correction, delete. We're going to create the rolling order on this. So let's go back to our position, create rolling order, and right now it's 44 cents credit. Let's, if we bump this order up to a nickel, so if we go to to $14, we still get $15 credit, $17 credit. So we're going to do that. 17 cents confirm and send. See, now we got a $0.50 less. More buffer in our position if it closes. Just give it a minute. I just changed that to a 16-cent credit. It's still not. I'm going to do it to a 15-cent credit to try and make this thing finish up. Let's see where we're at now. We should close. We closed. Okay, so we reduced our risk by 50 cents. Before we were $13.50. Now we're $14 call, so we reduced our risk by 50 cents. Plus we still got a 15-cent credit, which is pretty doggone good. What did I do here? I've got to look. Okay, so that added into this position. Now I got 20 lots because we rolled it up to a $14 call, so that's good. This $15 call, we don't have to really roll that up, but we could go $15 create rolling order, just because then we don't have to worry about. That's 97 cents more. We're going to get 98 cents. Confirm and send. We rolled it out for a week. Another 98 cents. I'm going to drop that like 1 cent. 97 cents. Oh, we sold. So we got 98 cents or $98 per contract, which is pretty stinking good. Clean Spark right now is only $14.90, even 93. So I'm not worried about. Again, $16 call, create rolling order. We're over $1 away from that, so we get 70 cents credit. Confirm and send. It should be closing. Let's see where we're at. We're at 70.5 cents, so it should close in a second. But that'll give us another 70 cents or $70 credit. So that's looking pretty darn good. Again, the market is 70.5 or 75. We're trying to get 70 cents. Now it says 71, so we should be closing this real quick. I lowered this to 69 cents just to try and close it quicker. Market's 71, so it should close very quickly. Okay, there we go. We got 69 cents, so that's our new positions. We're doing quite well. We made another 69 cents on that one, so we made 69 cents on that one. We made 98 cents on the other one. We made 15 cents on the other one, which we actually rolled out an extra 50 cents. And when we rolled this other one, we made 69 cents. So again, $690, $980, and $690 again, and $150. So that's our money we made right now on these trades, which is pretty good. So basically that's $2,510 for this next week just by rolling these over, which is pretty great. The previous week we made, the second we made 610, we made 400, 890, and $1,070. So total of $2,970 a week before.
I hope this helps you see the power of rolling and adjusting options. God bless.